Haris Rauf biography. Age. Haris Rauf was born on 7 November 1993 in Rawalpindi, Pakistan, and he is 29 years old. Height. Haris Rauf's height is 5 feet 11 inches. Education. Cricketer Haris Rauf wife. Haris Rauf is getting married on 26 December 222 and starting a new journey in his life. Haris Rauf's wife's name is Munazza Masood Malik. She is a fashion model. Career. Haris Rauf is a talented bowler. Before the start of his career, he was more interested in playing football. During his studies, he joined the cricket team of the International Islamic University Islamabad in 2017. He was selected for Lahore Qalandars squad in 2018 and played for the Abu Dhabi T20. In 2020, he played against Zimbabwe and proved his skill at the international level. In 2021, he was part of the Pakistan cricket squad and played against England and West Indies. Haris Rauf bowling speed. Haris Rauf bowling speed is 150.2 kph.